Assalamu alaikum. Can we derivative of derivative? Derivative of derivative called second order derivative. What do you mean by that? If we have a function y equals f of x, so this is y equals f of x. What about dy by dx? dy by dx is the rate of change of y with respect to x, or the slope. So dy by dx is the slope of the curve y, slope or gradient. What about derivative of derivative? Derivative of derivative denoted by d by dx, dy by dx. d by dx, dy by dx. We can write this in another way as d2y by dx2. d2y by dx2 represents what? Represents the change in the slope. So d2y by dx2 is the change in gradient or slope. Change in gradient. Okay? How can we do this? We can actually differentiate to get the higher order derivative. We can get d3y by dx3, d4y by dx4, and so on. Let us take example. In that example, he said find dy by dx and d2y by dx2 when y equals. The solution of the first question, y equals 12x squared plus 3x plus 8. Now, the first derivative denoted by dy by dx. So this is the first derivative. 2 times 12 equals 24x. Differentiation of 3x is 3. What about the second derivative? The second derivative denoted by d2y by dx2. So we differentiate dy by dx. So differentiation of 24x is 24. Differentiation of 3 is 0. Finished. Question number 2. Question number 2. Y equals 15x plus 6 plus 3 over x. Before to do the differentiation, you have to simplify. You have to write each term in standard form. What do you mean by standard form? ax power n. So y equals 15x plus 6. To write 3 over x in standard form, shift x upward. Down it's x power 1. When we shift up, it becomes x power negative 1. So it's 3x power negative 1. Now we can differentiate. The first derivative, dy by dx. Derivative of 15x is 15. 6 is 0. Now, negative 1 goes down, negative 1 times 3, negative 3, and reduce 1 from the power, negative 2. Simplify, so it becomes 15 minus 3x power negative 2. The second order derivative or the second derivative. So this one here, it is 3x to the power negative 2. Now, the second order, it's d2y by dx2. Differentiation of 15 is 0. Differentiation of negative 3 power negative 2, negative 2 goes down. Negative 2 times negative 3, positive 6. And reduce 1 from the power, negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. In simplest form, it is 6x power negative 3. Or we can write as 6 over x power 3. What about question number 3? Now we take question number 3. Question number 3, y equal 9 square root of x. 9 square root of x. Okay. Minus 3 over x squared. Minus 3 over x squared. First, remember, you have to write each term in standard form. What do we mean by standard form? Ax power n. Again, the standard form, you have to write each term in this. Ax to the power n. This is called the standard form. So, 9 square root of x, it's 9x power half. Minus, shift x squared up, it becomes 3x power negative 2. This is why. Now we can differentiate. The first derivative is dy by dx. The power goes down. Half times 9 by using calculator, it's 9 over 2. And minus 1 from the power. Half minus 1 minus half. Negative 3 goes down, negative 2 goes down, negative 2 times negative 3, positive 6. Minus 1 from the power, or reduce 1 from the power, negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. This is the first order derivative. The second order derivative, d2y by dx2. The power goes down. This power goes down. Negative half times 9 over 2. By using the calculator, it becomes 9 over 4. And then reduce 1 from the power. Negative half minus 1, negative 3 over 2. Negative half minus 1, negative 3 over 2. The second term, negative 3 times positive 6, negative 18. And minus 1 from the power, negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. It's better to write this answer in simplest form. So in simplest form, we write it as negative 9 over 4. Can you change this to radical? Yes. The denominator is the index of the root, so it is a square root. And the power here, it is the power inside, x power 3. Minus 18 over x power 4. You can simplify more a cubic root, square root of x cubed. If you need to simplify this more, we write it as negative 9 over 4 square root of x cubed. X squared comes out, it becomes x. And inside it is x. So this is the simplest form. Minus 18 over x power 4. Now, question number 4, 2 brackets. So in question number 4, y equals 2 brackets. The 2 brackets are 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 multiply 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. We expand the bracket. How to expand the bracket? By inspection. Multiply the first by the first. 5x times the 3x, it is 15x power 2. Leave space. The second multiplies the second. 4 times negative 2, negative 8. What about the middle term? 4 times the 3x, it's positive 12x. 5x times negative 2, negative 10x. Add them up, 12 and negative 10, positive 2x. So this is the expanding of the bracket. Differentiate the first order derivative. So dy by dx equal differentiation of 15x power 2. The power goes down. 2 times 15 equal 30. And the minus 1 from the power. 2 minus 1 is 1. Don't write 1. 2x, the derivative of 2x is 2. Finished. The second order derivative, d2y by dx2. Derivative of 30x is just 30. Finished. If you need to get the third order, it becomes a 0. d3y by dx3 is 0. Now, question number 5. 3x plus 8 over x squared. So, question number 5. Y equals, it is fraction, 3x squared. Okay. 3x also plus 8, not square. 3x. Okay. So 3x plus 8 over, okay, over x squared. So this is y. This is the function. Separate. So when you separate this, we write it as 3x over x squared plus 8 over x squared. Simplify. When you simplify this one, so y equals 3 x power 1 divided by x power 2, subtract the power 1 minus 2, negative 1, x power negative 1, plus move x squared upward, it becomes x power negative 2, so plus 8x power negative 2. Now we write each term in standard form. Differentiate to get the first order derivative. dy by dx, negative 1 times 3, negative 3. And reduce 1 from the power, negative 1 minus 1, negative 2. Negative 2 times 8, negative 16. Reduce 1 from the power, negative 3. This is the first order derivative. The second order derivative, d2y by dx2. Negative 2 times negative 3, positive 6. X power negative 2 minus 1, negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 16, negative times negative positive. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4. It's 48. And reduce 1 from the power, it becomes a negative 4. It's a good idea to write in simplest form. The power, it's better to be positive. So the answer in simplest form is 6 over x cubed plus 48 over x to the power 4. I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you.